to be making almond and apricot cookies. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of almond flour. I've got 1/3 cup here of dark brown sugar. I'll be using about a teaspoon of bicarb soda. I've got 70 grams of butter, which I have melted. Now you can also substitute that for coconut oil. I'll be using 1 egg, 1 scoop of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder, and then I've got about 1/3 cup here, maybe 1/2 cup, of chopped up apricot, so dried apricot, and then I've got about 1/3 cup of chopped up almonds. Now to make it, what I'm going to do is first preheat my oven to 175 degrees, and then I am going to add all of my ingredients into a bowl. Sorry, I'm not sure if I mentioned my egg, but there is also 1 egg. We're going to add all of the ingredients into a bowl, mix it until it's well combined, and then roll about 1 tablespoon amount of the mixture into balls, and then flatten it down into a lined baking tray. Pop that into the oven to bake for about 15 minutes. Take it out the oven, allow it to cool completely, and dig in.